By market capitalization, Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency. It is the most popular altcoin, and it experienced a strong bull run in 2021, hitting an all-time high. Since then, the coin has hit new lows, but the project's future has given investors hope for another price increase. In this video, we forecast the price of Ethereum based on our findings, online, and inquiry into the coin's history, as well as the potential for future projects. Make sure you stay with us till the end of this video. A disclaimer: the information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of this video's content as such. Our channel does not recommend that any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold, or held by you. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Now, with that out of the way, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications to get updates whenever we drop a new video. Don't forget to smash that like button and comment in the section below if you have any contributions. With BTC's price swings driving up market volatility, the main altcoin Ether, or Ethereum, has been stuck in a range throughout the majority of Q1 and Q2 2022. Short-term gains are restricted, but ETH's price could still outperform in the long run. ETH's price is down 62.35% from its all-time high in 2021. Ethereum's conversion to proof-of-stake should add bullish impetus to the coin's trajectory. While the top altcoin, Ether, had a fantastic year in 2021, the new year buried the bigger market and ETH in a flood of bearishness. Is it wise to invest in Ethereum? When Bitcoin's bull run restarted at the end of 2020, Ethereum did the same. The majority of altcoins were stagnating. But Ethereum's growing use case convinced investors to its enormous potential. Many investors didn't anticipate Ethereum to soar as far as it did, but it has now surpassed the 2018 high by more than double. Let's take a look at the history of ETH, which has seen a lot of volatility. Ethereum was created by Vitalik Buterin, a programmer, in 2013. The network's development and crowdfunding started in 2014, and it became live the following year. Ethereum is a smart contract-enabled open blockchain that hosts digital money, global payments, and apps. Buterin also made certain that the platform would allow users to create decentralized applications, or dApps. We discovered several excellent dApps in which to put our money in the future. Ethereum fluctuated throughout 2015, but it exploded in value at the start of the following year. From January to March 2016, investors saw a 1,300% increase in stock prices, from just over $1 to $15.2. Following that, there was a major fall, with the price losing more than half of its value, and ETH ending the year at a little over $8. Ethereum price remained stable from January to March 2017. However, the price rose sharply in March 2017, and the price rose even more in April, reaching $53. For the rest of 2017, the price continued to rise, with large retracements of 40%. But that didn't stop Ethereum from setting a fresh high in January 2018 of $1,430. Ethereum started a multi-year bear market after reaching its all-time high in 2018. The coin fell to $97 during the global lockdowns in March 2020. Investors were terrified at the time, but the drop was just brief as Ethereum made a V-bottom and resumed soaring to $481 in September 2020. The price was set to last until November 2020. Ethereum's price began to rise in December and reached a new all-time high of $4,300 in May 2021. Investors that bought in during March 2020 saw their money grow by 4,600%. That wasn't the end of it, though. Despite losing 60% of its value after setting an all-time high, Ethereum surged back in November 2021 to set a new all-time high at $4,840. Ethereum has been in a slump after setting an all-time high. In May 2022, it was worth $1,715, after losing 64% of its value. A minor price increase occurred at the end of May, but further declines are possible. That makes sense because the cryptocurrency market tends to retest recent highs. Ethereum will retest its January 2018 high by dropping to $1,400. Ethereum price prediction 2022. Forecasting the price of any asset, especially one in a speculative market like cryptocurrencies, is tough. Knowing that crypto would be volatile is fantastic news for investors who have seen their holdings collapse by more than 60%. After reaching its all-time high in November 2021, Ethereum achieved exactly that. For the past 6 months, the price has been dropping, hovering around $1,900 in May 2022. But there's more terrible news on the way. Cryptocurrency prices have recently retested their early highs. This indicates a further dip in Ethereum's price to roughly $1,400. The price is likely to find significant support at that level. That level has been holding for over a year, so investors shouldn't be surprised if it continues to hold. If that level holds, our Ethereum price prediction for 2022 is that it will rise to $4,000 by the end of the year, when it will face significant resistance. The Ethereum team has been working on a second-generation version for the platform. Ethereum could become more economical to mint if the platform is upgraded to Ethereum 2.0. Users will be able to design items for less than the present astronomical fees. For the price to break through the $4,000 barrier, it will need more than Mood. Platforms with similar functionalities but lower fees have posed a threat to Ethereum. Ethereum price prediction 2023. Understanding the fundamentals is required to make a long-term projection for Ethereum's price. The greater Ethereum's adoption, the more probable the price will climb. A catalytic event is one method for the price to burst through resistance at roughly $4,000 when it hits that level. Ethereum 2.0 may be released at that time. As a result, the platform can handle thousands of transactions per second, resulting in lower transaction costs and speedier applications. Making Ethereum more secure against attacks is one of the new features. It's also their goal to make Ethereum a more environmentally friendly currency. Current technology consumes a significant amount of computational power and energy. Before Ethereum becomes popular, these factors must be integrated into the network. With the establishment of such a platform, Ethereum's user base will grow, perhaps attracting more shops and institutional investors. The price of Ethereum will soar to its all-time high in November 2021, breaking through resistance. A retest of the new support that will establish at roughly $4,840 is the most likely scenario following the breakthrough. The coin will continue to rise and will likely reach a new all-time high of around $6,000. Many non-fungible tokens or NFTs are held on the Ethereum blockchain aside from the anticipated transition to Ethereum 2.0. The NFT market has exploded in recent years, with some NFTs fetching millions of dollars. More adoption of Ethereum and a greater price are expected as the NFT sector expands. Long-term Ethereum price projection, 2025 projections. On a more basic level, by 2025, recent technical upgrades, news updates, new project forecasts, as well as collaborations and integrations might all contribute to ETH's significant price increase. The first update to the Ethereum Ropsten merge testnet was slated for June 2nd and was expected to be completed by June 8th. The issue of the altcoin could be reduced by 90% as a result of this merger. Indeed, even in a gloomy market, Bloomberg experts believe that the merge might fuel an Ethereum rise. Furthermore, the triple halving storyline could play out once the merge is completed, assisting its price growth even further. Based on the Ethereum triple halving narrative, the $10,000 mark has long been considered a long-term target for ETH. The effective implementation of EIP 1559, according to researcher Nikhil Shammapant, may lower Ethereum volume to the equivalent of 3.5 Bitcoin halvings. The King altcoin could reach $10,000 as a result of triple halving and reduced Ether issuance. I think we can see the price go to $10,000, Shammapant added, where a lot of Ether bull price targets begin to kick in and people take profits. I believe we'll move up to $10,000 to $25,000 range, where we'll run into a lot of supply and see some significant drawdowns and consolidations. As demand for Ethereum grows and more projects adopt the blockchain, the price of Ether might skyrocket in the next 4 years. For the time being, analysts have set a minimum price of $4,800 by the end of the year as their starting point. By the end of 2022, according to Finder's panel of fintech experts, Ether will be worth $5,783. Furthermore, the price is predicted to climb in the future, reaching $11,764 by 2025 and $23,372 by 2030. With that, we've come to the end of the video. Some crypto skeptics believe that Ethereum's price is driven solely by speculation. We've seen that happen, but several factors have consistently determined price fluctuations and influenced an ETH price prediction. What do you think Ethereum would pay in the long run? Let's have your contributions down in the comment section below. Thank you for taking the time to watch. While you're here, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.